What's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome back to our channel. How are you guys doing? I'm okay, you guys. I know it's been a while. Still not there yet, but I will get there eventually. But I'm so excited to be back on, talk to you guys, have some great products to show you guys, and I will think you absolutely love them. First, let me start, you guys, what I'm wearing on my lips. I always do that because I'm wearing NARS in Don't Stop. I just outlined that with my lips. And then I'm wearing the Makeup Forever in 401. You guys, I've never tried the Makeup Forever liquid lipsticks. I have to tell you, you guys know NARS is like my #1 right now. The Makeup Forever is absolutely freaking amazing. I mean, amazing. And my #2 for drugstore, where is it? I can't even find it right now, is the Maybelline. I love those two. They are absolutely amazing. They do not move. They stay on your lips all freaking day. Why is mine not out? Oh, here it is. You guys, these Maybelline, they're the best. They are literally the best. I freaking love them so much. You definitely should try them. I would buy them when it's buy one, get one half off, because, like, you save yourself some money. And you guys know I'm making sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth, because that's how we roll on this channel. All right, you guys, so let's get into this, because I'm super excited. And the other thing that's on my face is why I am so glowy. I was gifted this by Flower Beauty. This is called the Glow Getter. I don't, you know, it's not like I get paid for talking about any of the products I'm showing you right now. But my face is a little bit glowy because I take this little highlighter, which you can use it either way, but you just need a pump. But when you pump it out, you guys got to be careful because it pumps out a lot. But look at this. Like, it's just amazing. And I know they carry it at Walmart, but I don't have a Walmart by me. And they carry it at Ulta. They're not in my Ulta yet neither, but it's just stunning. So I take a drop of it literally before I put my foundation on, and boom. It's like just a beautiful glow, which I think you guys will be really happy about. I love it. And so after that, when I was done with my makeup, I also took this from Flower Beauty. This is called the Galactic Glow palette. You guys, this palette is absolutely freaking stunning. Definitely worth your money. You need to check it out. I hope you could see it when I swatch it. See, sometimes on my skin, it's very hard for me to swatch highlighters because I feel like it doesn't come up enough. Do you know what I'm saying? Because I'm so, like, pale. But these highlighters work so much. You will absolutely 150% love them. Don't mind my voice. I'm tired. I was at IMATS this weekend. I worked yesterday, like, exhausted. Also, the concealer that I'm using, this contour kit, it's called Contour is a Girl's Best Friend by Velvet 59. Octoly and Velvet 59 sent me this too. Freaking absolutely love it. I'm wearing this concealer here today, which is absolutely freaking stunning, creamy. You guys, as you get older, I feel that, like, you need to use cream products. That's what I do anyway. I even have cream blushes, everything. I love freaking cream. It's absolutely just the way to go when you have dry skin. Now let's get into this. This is something I really wanted to talk about before I upload my next video, which I'm going to upload 2 in one day because I am doing a giveaway on a BoxyCharm. So let's get into this. Now, this is the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. This is what is on my eyes today. Don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's absolutely freaking stunning. The only thing I will tell you about this, I got mine on Amazon. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch just a couple of my favorite colors. And my favorite color, of course, is the Lemon Craze, the yellow. I actually bought a yellow eyeliner, and I'm wearing it in my eyes today. I love it so much. So that's the pigment of the yellow. Now I'm going to show you the other 2 favorite colors of mine. I don't know if I told you this, but I'm having doors put in, so I do apologize if it's loud. Then the next one is, look at this color. Okay, see? So you have to build it up. This is called Ice Pop. For $10, you guys, I think it's a great palette. But you have to keep building it up. It's hard, you guys. You know, I used to show swatches constantly, all the time on my channel. All the time. But I feel like if you can't show it on your eyes, like, you need to kind of show it. I still like doing swatches, but it's never the same as when you put it on your eyes. I freaking love this palette. And the last one I'm going to show you guys is Sugar Coated. This is... this color is just so beautiful. Absolutely freaking stunning. So for $10, I got mine on Amazon Prime and free shipping. So I do highly recommend this Maybelline palette. It's just amazing. And then I wanted to show you guys something else. Okay, so I get the Cult Crush Beauty Box, you guys. I absolutely love it. You guys definitely need to check out this box. It's just so freaking amazing. It's not even funny. That's how much I freaking love it. So in this box, we got Nail Her, which I will not wear these because it's just not me, but I will save them and I'll give them to a gift to like one of my son's friends because I'm sure they will absolutely love them. It's just not me, but it's okay because I was happy with the box. So then we also got the Burt's Bees cleansers, which I've never tried before, so I'm super excited to try these. I love Burt's Bees. It's just like a great line. But wait, you guys, it gets better. This palette, I want to do a tutorial using this palette. It's called Bright Lights Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I swatched a couple of these, you guys, and I was like, no way. Like, I can't. For what we pay for the box a month, I don't know if I'm wrong, but I think I pay $15. It is absolutely stunning. Look at this palette. Like, you have all the colors in there. So for $15, I got all that. I'm going to show you the yellow. Now, that yellow is popping right there. That yellow is like, bam, in your face. Then the next color I'm going to show you is Pop Rocks. It's a purple. Look at that purple. The purple's so beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. I freaking love this palette so much. And then you know what's so cool about it? Inside, it has glitter shadows in there too. So let's swatch a glitter because the glitter is absolutely like stunning. Look at that. So you need to build up the glitter though. You need to build it up. You need to build it up with glitter glue. But I got to tell you, I highly recommend the Cult Crush Beauty Box from Ricky's NYC. Absolutely love it. It comes with, oh, and it also comes with skincare, Moonlight Shift oil samples. I don't see that, but that's okay. So we got the palette, we got the cleansing wipes, and we got the nails for $15. This box just keeps getting better and better. I freaking love it so much. So you guys, I really highly recommend the Maybelline palette. I recommend the Velvet 59. The Maybelline palette, absolutely freaking stunning. It's so beautiful. Oh, and then you guys, real fast, before I do my other video, I got this from, hold on. I got this from, what are they called? Dollar Shave Club. Okay, you guys could sign up. It's $5. Like, sign up for $5 and then, I don't know, I'm going to link it below for you guys. But when I tell you, the best freaking razor, okay, comes with the razor, right? Body, shaving butter, and 4 more razors that I just dropped. 3 wipes. You cannot beat that at all. You can literally share this like with your husband, with whoever, like just take the razor blade off, do you know what I mean? And put it back on. But I think they have a men's one too. But I absolutely love this. And my son wants to use it. You know, I don't know what he wants to use it for. He's 14. Like, he's like, Mom, I want to shave right here. I'm like, all right. So I let him use this, but I changed the blade and I put my own blade on it. It is a frigging amazing box. It comes like this. It's super cute. I mean, it's just a great box. I absolutely love it. This is one of the best things that I've ever got sent to me. I love it. I think it's absolutely stunning. All right, so I found this on Amazon, you guys. This is called Glamoury. See this name right here? I don't know how I found it. I go on Amazon. I just start looking at palettes. I was buying the Maybelline Craze, and then I put in other palettes. This is absolutely... Now, I'm not into the mermaid or any of all that stuff. It's just not me. I'm not into it. I don't like it. The unicorn stuff, I don't know. It's probably my age. Just not into it. But this, to use for looks, to put glitter on your eyes. Okay, you guys. I literally used a glitter glue and then put that on top. Like, that is absolutely just stunning. And if you keep building up this glitter, it's just amazing. And this was $3.99. Like, you cannot beat it for $3.99. Like, that's how much I freaking love this palette. I was super excited to show you guys, and I want to show you the orange. The orange is super beautiful. It looks orange, but then when you put it on, it's just like so nice and beautiful. Ugh, I love it. I love it. $3.99. You guys know I love a good deal. That's how we roll on here. I don't like to spend a lot of money anymore on makeup. I try not to. And lately, drugstore, Maybelline has been rocking it with their lipsticks, you guys. These are absolutely amazing. I try to buy them when they're buy one, get one half off just because they're so friggin' awesome. I love them so much. Like, this is the #1 liquid lipstick in the drugstore. I must say anyway. Like, I absolutely freaking love it. So, you guys, that is it for this video because right now I'm going to film my BoxyCharm video and I got 2 of them. One for me, one for you guys. So, I'm going to do a giveaway on it right now. But there's actually going to be 3 BoxyCharms because the last one I needed to do a giveaway on and I still haven't because I was not up and running and filming. So I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to film another video and then have both of these up later on today after Target. And I think I might take you guys to Target with me if you want to come. Make sure you follow my Instagram, Makeup by Shay with 2 A's. Please subscribe to our amazing channel here on YouTube. We have the best people here. I freaking love it so much. And I can't thank Octoly, Flower Beauty, Velvet 59, The Shave Club, everybody else. I love them. Thank you so much for gifting me these gifts. But this I bought with my own money, my friends. And I absolutely love this palette so much. So I'm going to go try to take a selfie. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao, you guys. I love you so much. Love you so much. And I do apologize for not filming. But I know you guys totally understand why I have not been filming. So I will see you in a few. Ciao. No, not going to work, you guys. So that's okay. My thumbnail is going to be a little different. It's all good in the hood, my friends. No worries. Don't worry about it. All right, peace out, my friends. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.